everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got a great little project to share with you today. It's this cute little box, super fun. And what I love about this is you can change up the cardstock as well as the DSP for any occasion, really. But just a fun way to use these stitched season framelits. And this is available until the end of August or while supplies last. This is an exclusive stamp set and coordinating framelits. But I'm going to show you how we create today's project. The designer series paper I'm using today is the Toil and Trouble, and this is Halloween paper. Beautiful paper, you guys. So I'm using that designer series paper. Now the measurements for today's project will be over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. So if you missed anything, everything will be there, as well as a written detailed description. So the cardstock I'm using is the basic black, and I have this piece cut at 5 inches by 8 inches. And with the 8 inches along the top, we need to score this at 1 inch, 3.5, 4.5, and 7. With the 5 inch along the top, we are going to score this at 1 inch. We are going to rotate it 180 and score it again at 1 inch. We are now going to take our paper snips and we are going to cut up on all these score lines, stopping at the horizontal. I'm now going to miter all the corners. I'm now going to stick some tear and tape on all these tabs. I'm now going to fold and burnish all my score lines. I'm now going to remove all the backing. I have a 3/4 inch circle punch, and I'm going to punch a notch on each end. And now I'm going to form my box. Super cute. With the larger framelits, I went ahead and I die cut 2 of those, and then I die cut some of the DSP with the smaller one, and I am just going to attach my DSP. And I'm just eyeballing it, you guys. Now I can come in and make sure I am straight, and when I am, and I like where I am, I can give it a good little press, and I can do the same on the other side. You can stick this at your dinner table, you can make these for some craft fairs. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of the products that I used in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have a written detailed description over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.